this. This right here. Let me show you. This is the reason there are so many unfinished projects at my house. It's because you're zizzing along, you know, and then all of a sudden you're like trying to take the stupid thing off here and you rip this whole stupid thing out. No, I don't know if this is supposed to come out or not. I'd imagine, you know, most of these parts are probably things that can come out. I see that it has a hole on either side right here and that there's a hole right here. So it seems like, you know, like if you just line those up and poked it in there, right, that you could get it in there where the hole would line up. But you know, you work at it, you work at it, you work at it. Wait a minute. No, and you just can't seem to get it together, you know? And then you're like, it's Saturday, I only have so much weekend to get things done. The table can wait. Hence the story of the table, which will get done one day. I may have to get a less complicated rotary tool, but one day, because I give up.